Alright, light number 2. Baddest car ever. This guy has fucking got a badass car.
Look at
the
this.
Baddest Dodge Daytona.
Mid-80s Dodge Daytona right here. Twin turbo racing fuel. This thing is bad to the bone. Yeah, this thing is fucking bad.
We're doing 65.
65, a Metro Parkway in the middle of Troy.
This guy has got the fucking sweetest ride. He stepped on that might have been a cop right there.
He did too.
Yeah, I was doing 60 something, so. Oh man, that's a badass. That's like the only car of its kind. Nobody ever put that much love into a fucking Dodge Daytona except this guy.